don't know why he's taking me to the shed.
Oh my God, y'all, look at this. She did so good. Wait, no. She's not breathing. I think she's passed away. They won't survive out here. They're so small, y'all. Almost there. Mother bear was in the shed and she died giving birth. I'm so sorry, girl. She's going to heaven now. Rest easy, girl. You did good.